What's going on, guys? Thomas Garrett's here, and in this video I'm going to do a complete review of the brand new Rapid Profit machine. And I actually have a complete review page that I wrote out that I'll be going over in this video. And if you are more of a reader instead, you can go to the link in the description, the second link to get to this page. And before I do any of that, I think the most important thing is you guys probably have a couple of questions. First of all, it might be like, who's this guy if you've never heard of me? And second of all, you may just be like, what even is the Rapid Profit machine? Or if you've heard of it, what are the best bonuses I can get? And I'm going to go over all of that and show you how the Rapid Profit machine actually works inside the members area and all of that. So first off, who am I? Right, so I said my name's Thomas Garrett. I'm an affiliate marketer full-time. This is what I do. I've made over 6 figures in just the last year alone with affiliate marketing with just one program. I'll flash up the award I got on the screen, but I really don't like talking about myself all that much. But let's just say I know what I'm talking about in this affiliate marketing space. And when it comes to actually putting my stamp of approval on affiliate marketing products, I don't do that very often. I've been in this game a few years now, and with my entire time in this space, I've only put that stamp of approval on 3 products. And the first product was actually a product from James-Neville-Taylor as well, which is also who created the Rapid Profit machine. And before we get into the meat and potatoes of everything on this page, I just want to show you what my bonuses are, if that's all you're worried about, right? Because I know some people are just searching this in to get the best bonuses, and I get it. I'm the same way. I'm trying to get the best value possible. So, number 1, if you simply enter in your email on the next page. So if you click this green button here, right, it'll take you to this page here if it loads. This page here, if you simply enter in your email to unlock the free system, the RPM system, I will give you access to my entire TikTok course module from my $1,000 high ticket YouTube secrets course, okay? So this is a free system James is doing, right? Sure, there are upsells, which we'll get into in a second, but those aren't required. So you can get this entire system completely free, and you get my entire TikTok course module. So if we go over here, it's in my $1,000 course right here. So it's these videos right here. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos on TikTok, which I use TikTok to completely blow up my business. And I think it's still a great strategy, especially for this system to start getting leads in the door. Trust me. And then if we go back here, number 2, so if you purchase the first upsell, right? The first upsell, that's it. And I got them all listed right here, which we'll go over, but the first upsell is secret traffic sources, which is $27. And this is James' favorite traffic vendors and extra traffic training. And again, we'll get into all of that, but it's $27. And if you purchase that and nothing else, okay, just that, you get module 1 and module 2 for my no face YouTube course. So if we go over here, this is my no face YouTube course, okay? It's still in beta, but I got about a little over half of it completed, but you get module 1 and module 2 here. So this is gonna teach you how to pick a niche, create your channel, plan your videos, and create your videos. And this is all without showing your face on YouTube, because I know a lot of people don't wanna show their face on YouTube. I get it. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, oh, I skipped one, 13, 14, 15, 16 videos. This is from my paid program too, okay? And then the last option is if you purchase every upsell, okay? You have to purchase every upsell. This is gonna be $450 total. However, you then receive both my $1,000 course and my no face YouTube course, the entire thing for free. So that's like $2,000 worth of value, if not more, okay? So you get this entire course, right? So you get this. I think there's like 70 some videos in this course, and we're still creating them in here. I think we're to module 4 right now, but we got bonuses. We got a ton of stuff going on in here. We got giveaways going out in the course. We even got our own affiliate program that only the members get access to, so it's super sick. Okay, but now, if you're curious, like, what even is this RPM? Let me tell you about that now. And I think I already mentioned, but the first link in the description will take you to this page to enter in your email, and the second link will take you to the review page, okay? But now, The system is unlike anything I've ever seen before because there's what's called this auto tag technology with Builderall. It's all created with this software called Builderall, and it's auto tag technology. So basically how it works is he gives you the landing pages, the funnels, the email, the products to promote, everything. And all you have to do is click a couple buttons and enter in a couple links, and everything is then automatically tagged to you. Right? So all you have to do is send some people to the system and it starts cranking out commissions like a machine. That's why it's called the Rapid Profit Machine. And it's actually working. Like a ton of people are getting results with this, and a ton of people who purchased the first product, the Massive Affiliate Blueprint that I promoted from James, so many people crushed it with that, you guys. I'm being dead serious. Like, I don't promote stuff often unless I truly believe in it. And this system is absolutely insane. But it's not only that. This is really where I mean, like, it's unlike anything I've ever seen before because he's giving it away for free. Yes, there are some upsells. I've mentioned that, but they're not required. However, this is where it gets crazy, okay? You legit only have 24 hours from the time you go to the page to get access to the free system at all. Like, if you don't purchase it in the first 24 hours, if you don't get access to it for free in the first 24 hours, you can't even purchase it, right? Like, it's gone. And for those of you who think like these timers are fake, because I know a lot of people do that, I get it, but this is not fake just to get people to purchase. This is what the page will look like when you try going back after 24 hours. I literally tried and this was the page. I'm like, what the heck? You know? And he's like, yeah, that's what shows up on the page after the timer's expired. So don't wait, don't walk, run to the green button below to unlock your system before it's too late, okay? And if you want to learn more about what the system is all about, let's go over that now. This is the members area you'll get access to, even if you purchase nothing. You just enter in your email. This is the members area, okay? So he shows you how to do everything, right? So you go to RPM Setup Recap, and this will teach you, I gotta sign back in. And this will teach you everything. So step-by-step videos teaching you exactly how to do everything. And this stuff will be taught to you like after you enter in your email and get to the last page, he'll go over it. But this is how you really follow along step-by-step in the members area if you want to do it that way. But like I said, the only thing you need is Builderall. And I think they even have like a free trial or even maybe a free account. Don't quote me on that. But this is absolutely insane. Like, it inspired me to do something crazy with Builderall, so stay tuned for that. But right now, this is what you get, okay? So the Rapid Profit Machine gives you dozens of income streams, right? It's a true done-for-you system. So there's 30 done-for-you emails without you having to edit anything. And then there's 15 emails directly after the opt-in, after someone enters in their email, and then 15 more after someone gets their trial to Builderall or whatever. So basically, he talks about all this, but like I said, all you have to do is send traffic. And this is where the upsells and my bonuses come into play. All right, so if we go back here and we're looking at the upsells, because like I said, there are upsells, he has to make some money, right? This is when it gets so crazy. He provided so much extra value. It actually blew my mind when I was looking through everything. So, like I said, the first upsell is the secret traffic sources. So it's his favorite traffic vendors and extra traffic training. And we go over to the membership area right here. It's right here. So you go to RPM VIP. These are the upsells, all 4 of them. So secret traffic sources is the first one, okay? This is insane. So he talks about the secret traffic methods. He has top solo ad providers, newspaper and postcard services, sponsored content, big list advertising, and then extra traffic training. Look at this. Quora, Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube organic. Those are like complete trainings of those. These are courses on their own, you guys. This is insane. Now, if we go back here, you can see there is a down arrow because there's one downsell. So if you can't afford the $27, you can actually get the secret traffic sources light for just $7, okay? So the light version includes the extra traffic training only, okay? So that would be the extra traffic training only, so these, which is still great, you know what I mean? But that's up to you. It depends what you can afford, okay? Now, if we go back to this one again, upsell number 2, I put stars around this because this one, I'm like, I chose to be an affiliate, but honestly, after I was looking through everything, I'm like, man, I should just buy it and promote it this way because I would probably make more money. Not probably, I would make more money. but I like supporting James. He's a good person, and I don't want to just take all the money. But RPM Pro, not only does it give you a ton of advanced training, a free link wizard account, which is a link tracking software. Mind you, I pay $100 a month for my link tracking software, which is ClickMagick, because I need like a bigger account. So that's a huge thing to get that for free. And this is the most important part. You get 100% commissions on the entire funnel, including when someone purchases this. That's insane, right? So I'm an affiliate, right? I make money if you purchase this. That's why I give you my commissions. Full transparency, right? I'm sure you knew that. But the thing is, I only make, I think it's 50 or 40% commissions. I could just purchase this for $500 for all of this. Really, all I would need is this for $30. But if I purchased every upsell, $450 or whatever it is, and I would make double. Like, but I don't want to do that to him. But this is what I'm saying. He's providing so much more than he has to. It's insane. Like, he could be charging for the system on itself, but it's completely free. But regardless, it is $30 a month. I know not everyone can afford that, but literally, even if you're not getting sales right now and you're thinking like, oh, that's a lot of money, like $30 a month, like even if you get one sale, it pays for it with 100% commissions. So just remember that, okay? And then if we go down here, upsell number 3 is tailored trifecta. Oh, and if we go back here, just so you know, like I said, RPM Pro, it shows you how to sign up and get the 100% commissions. So it's all right here. He teaches you how to do everything, all right? And then if we go back here, so the tailored trifecta, this is $97. And this is 3 extra income streams. And then you also get 3 email sequence with 30 emails, okay? So this is absolutely insane. And you can literally download it into your account. And like I said, it's the same thing with the auto tag technology, updated with your links and everything without you having to do anything. All right. And again, if we go back here, go to the tailored trifecta, he's going to show you how to do all of this. You just download it and access. And we go back here. The final one is the turbocharge upgrade. Okay. And this one is absolutely insane. $297. Okay. And you get 4 powerful software to help get traffic and connect with prospects. And as an added bonus, you get a collection of exclusive trainings with 7, 8, and 9-figure entrepreneurs. Okay, so if we go over here, right here, turbocharge upgrade, look at this. This is absolutely insane, you guys. So look at all these people: Tom Beal, Matt Bassick, Spencer Meekum, Greg Kasser, Greg Jeffries, Dave Sharp, the owner of Legendary Marketer, the program I've made over 6 figures with. That's insane. John Thornhill, he's a huge marketer. And then you get free software access right here. So that's just extra stuff to help you get leads into the system. And then if we scroll down right here, what the members are saying, you can watch this quick video if you just want to pause this and see what they're saying. These are people who have used the auto tag technology and see the value in it, and they're actually making money. And not all of them are professionals, right? A lot of these people are beginners, just like you. So don't think just because you're brand new, you can't make money. This is perfect for beginners because all you have to do is plug and play and then worry about getting traffic. That's it. And then the last thing down here, just a couple of the members' results. And then this is how to receive your free bonuses. Okay, so basically you click any of the green buttons on this page, and then step 2, depending which option you go with, you either enter in your email to get the TikTok course, you purchase the first upsell to get module 1 and module 2 plus the TikTok course, or you purchase all the upsells to get both of my courses, the entire thing, completely free. And then all you do is you email which one you did to thomas@thomasgarretts.com. I'll confirm it in the members area and look at what you purchased, and then I'll send you free access. It's that simple. But yeah, so if you have any questions about RPM or my bonuses or anything, please leave a comment down below. I'm happy to help. And then if you wanted to go check out the review page that I wrote, that's the second link in the description down below. But if you're ready to just get started, get making money with this system, and get my free bonuses, click that first link in the description, go enter your email, and get started. But that's all I got. I love you guys. See you on the next video.